Hi there. If you're between the ages of 30 and 60 and love sharing your lifestyle, we have an exciting opportunity for you. Imagine earning money just by posting photos and videos, similar to Facebook monetization, but this time on a dating site platform where your content reaches people worldwide. It's a bit like OnlyFans, but much more subtle, natural, and lifestyle focused. As a content creator, your role is simple: share photos, videos, and lifestyle content that show your personality and charm. Stay active by submitting weekly content so your profile remains fresh and engaging. Connect naturally through your posts and build a following. The more engaging your content, the more likes, views, and gifts you'll receive, just like other social media platforms. But here, you can earn directly. Before we can register you, we'll need you to pass an audition. Don't worry, it's easy. Here's what you'll need to submit: 10 good quality photos, clear, well-lit, and natural lifestyle shots. Your social media links, your age. Once you pass the audition, we'll move you to the full registration stage. After passing the audition, here's what you'll provide for full registration: 80 photos total, a mix of selfies, whole body shots, casual lifestyle, and some sexy or confident looks. Nothing too explicit, just authentic and appealing. 20 short videos, each at least 20 seconds long. These could be fun clips, casual moments, or lifestyle shots. A valid government-issued ID, a short video registration clip holding your ID to confirm your age and nationality. We require ID because we pay internationally. This ensures that you're of legal age and that payments are secure. Now, let's talk about the exciting part: your earnings. As a content creator, you'll receive 10% of your monthly income share, based on likes, views, and activity. You'll also earn commissions from gifts that fans send you on the platform. The more active you are and the more content you share, the bigger your potential earnings. To succeed, consistency is key. That's why we ask for weekly lifestyle submissions, new photos and videos that keep your profile alive and growing. Think of it like posting on Facebook or Instagram. The more you post, the more people engage with you, and the more you earn. This is a chance to share your story, showcase your lifestyle, and connect with people worldwide, all while earning real income from your content. If you're ready to start, submit your audition photos and details today. Once approved, we'll guide you step by step through registration. Remember, this is your opportunity to turn everyday lifestyle moments into something rewarding. Start your journey as a dating site content creator now. Your audience is waiting for you.